Here she goes, around in a circle. Good job, Emma. Alyssa. Hi. Maybe a little slower. Do you think she's going to get dizzy? Yes.
A little slower, Emma. Emma.
Oh, that's much better. That's much more her pace. Hi, sweet girl. Are you having fun?
There you go. Don't get her fingers caught in there. At least you can look at what's going on.
Alyssa.
Now she's going to go backwards.
Have her look at her toys, maybe, Em. There you go.
There you go. There's the
Now push
toys.
it.
There you go.
So
You want to get more toys? You want to eat? You want to eat your toys?
you want to eat your toys? That's the
Broccoli?
place to put, like, food when she's ready to eat big girl food.
Hey, doodle piano. Your story.
Alyssa.